Hey guys, welcome to Cool Full-Time Family Adventures, where we like to take you on our adventures, no matter how big or how small. An adventure's what you make of it. So hey, stick around this week on Cool Full-Time Family Adventures. We're down at the river fishing, family, fun, and fireworks. That's right, it's 4th of July week, and we're having a good time. So hey, stick around, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can go along with us on all of our adventures. And hey, just hang out and have a good time. Glad to have you. Talk to you later. This is all, come on Mom, go swim with me.
Exactly, Lydia. Just swim.
How come you're not swimming, Mom?
No excuse.
No excuse.
No. Come on. Come on.
You don't wanna.
Come on. What? Oh, Mom, you want to see the rope swing? Has they shot you?
It's not like I'm gonna do it.
You want to see? There. I want to hear Mom go. Ready, Mom?
Marking his territory everywhere he goes.
Yes, he is. Ready? I'm ready, buddy. Be careful.
Ow.
Did that hurt? No.
This water feels soft. Like I landed on my side the other day. It doesn't feel like concrete.
Because it's not
That
cold.
did hurt my butt a little bit. It's for the views. I like that rope swing.
I don't know if it's Keith and Paul's or not. But
What trick? No trick. Triple backflip.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Cannonball.
No.
Gainer.
360. Did I do it? I was
Okay.
gonna originally. Oh, Mom, do you watch?
I watched
What'd I do?
a 360. Bear.
What? Good.
Oh! Oh, Lord. That hurt. Yeah.
What'd you put your head down for?
Oh, my goodness.
That hurt my leg.
It didn't hurt your face?
No, it just hurt my leg.
Hope everybody's enjoying their 4th of July weekend. We're down at the river. Boys, you just seen them. They've fishing and got them a rope swing in the river and a diving board. Just a great day out. I mean, it's like 80 something degrees. Awesome weekend. Probably gonna do some fireworks tonight, so stick around, see the fireworks show. We don't have a lot, but we got a little. We're having a good time with family and friends and a lot of fun on 4th of July weekend. See ya. Nick is just locked into, I believe, a catfish. We're not sure.
Yep.
Oh, easy, man. Walk up the lake. Walk up, walk up, walk up. Look at what we got here. Keep going. Keep going. Where's your line? Keep going.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about the video, folks, but I'm trying to grab this fish. Look at there.
You could bring fire.
So hey guys, that's pretty much it for this week. And we had a great adventure. We had a lot of firsts. The boys went on about a 7-hour float trip. Never done that before. That was an adventure for them. And hey, we caught some catfish last night, and that's the first time Nick caught any catfish, so that's a good adventure for him. And we stayed here about 5 days, 4 nights or whatever. And we've never done that before either. So hey, this weekend was full of adventure, fun, family and friends on a 4th of July weekend with all those fireworks. That was the best thing, is we just got out and got to have a good time and relax, and now it's back to the real world. We're all packed up and about ready to leave. And so hey, if you enjoyed this weekend like we did, go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and come along with us on our next adventure. But in the meantime, get out there and have your adventure today.